The 5K monitor's Edge 49 packs ultra-wide curved immersion into your home office setup, and after using it, here's exactly what stood out. Are you tired of cramped workspaces and mediocre monitors that make you feel like you're stuck in a small box? The 5K monitor's Edge 49 is here to change that. Its massive 49-inch display wraps around your field of view with a stunning 1500 arc curvature, making you feel like you're part of the action. But it's not just about immersion, this monitor is designed for productivity. With a Dual QHD resolution of 5120 by 1440, you get an ultra-wide workspace that's perfect for multitasking. You can have two operating systems running side by side, or display content from multiple input sources simultaneously. It's like having a mini TV in front of your desk. But what really sets this monitor apart is its gaming capabilities. With 165Hz smooth performance and 1 millisecond response time, you get ultra-fluid motion that's perfect for fast-paced games. The FreeSync support eliminates screen tearing, so you can focus on the game without any distractions. And with built-in crosshair, shadow balance, and an on-screen timer, you get a competitive edge in FPS gameplay. But it's not just about gaming, this monitor is also designed for professional workflows. The curvature switch lets you control two devices with a single set of keyboard and mouse, making it easy to switch between tasks without breaking your workflow. And the built-in speakers provide instant, balanced audio that's perfect for video calls or music listening. One feature that might seem minor but makes a big difference is the adjustable stand. It allows you to tilt and height adjust the monitor to fit your preferred viewing angle, making it comfortable for hours of use. And with the ergonomic design, you can enjoy long periods of productivity without straining your neck or back. So what do you get when you buy the 5K monitor's Edge 49? You get a monitor that will change the way you work and play. With its ultra-wide curved immersion, Dual QHD resolution, 165Hz smooth performance, curvature switch, built-in speakers, and adjustable stand, this monitor is a game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their home office setup. Click the link below to get the best price on the 5K monitor's Edge 49, it's an absolute steal at insert price. Trust me, you won't regret it.